This is a small bathroom with a bathtub that we completely renovate from this look to this. This is a small bathroom renovation idea with the tub full remodel. What we did is remove the bathtub and install a new one with all the plumbing. New waterproof walls installed and also 12 by 24 tiles in beige color polished. On the floor, a 6-inch hexagon tile was installed and black with white lines. A slider shower door was installed with the brushed nickel finish on the frame. It is a door that looks great with all the hardware. A dark gray vanity cabinet with 2 doors and 1 drawer that matches the medicine cabinet perfectly. The medicine cabinet has open shelves and a door that could be very useful to accommodate any utensil in this bathroom. The vanity light that has 4 LED lights illuminate this bathroom very well. This shower niche is small in size with solid finishes on the inside, which is very useful and very easy to maintain. The vanity countertop is made of engineered quartz in white with great lines, with the porcelain undermount sink and brushed nickel finish faucet. The shower head, the handle and the modern top spout with the brushed nickel finish, they give an elegant look to this bathroom. We installed an exhaust fan with enough CFM that has LED light in the center. In this bathroom remodel, the owner of the house participate in the choice of materials and design.